everybody, today I'm gonna be making over my front door area. So because this broke, I made these two plants over a year ago, and then yeah, I've had them for, like I said, over a year, and then this one fell apart. So I cannot just leave my front door like this. I gotta fix it, except I don't have time to make another one of these because these things are time consuming. So I'll post the link to the tutorial I followed to make this. Not my tutorial, but the one I followed. I'll post a link to it. But yeah, I'm gonna fix it and then show you guys. I'm gonna clean up and then go from there. Excuse the noise, there's people doing some construction work next door, so that's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this sign. This is from Amazon, I'll link it below. And then these lanterns here I got from IKEA. The candles are not from IKEA, the candles are LED, and they are from a website called quickkcandles.com. So that's what I'm basically gonna be doing. I'll be right back. All right, all clean. Now I have to put this back. Need to center it some more. Okay, I'm keeping this, put this one back. Okay, now what I like about this sign is that it comes with seasonal crowns for the different times of year, and you just hook it up onto this hook here that I'm gonna release. So that's why I like this. This was $49 on Amazon. Yep, there it is. Yep. I'll move it later. All right. There it is, the final result. So this crown, this wreath is from Joanne Fabric. I got it over a year ago. It was like $25. Actually, maybe no, $22 actually. It was on sale. And then the welcome mat is from Ballard's Design. I wanted a welcome mat that did not have any words on it, any writing. It's just like this pattern. I think it is glam. And I only told you guys where I got, you know, Amazon and IKEA and DIY for the plant. I think it turns out pretty good.